Modern Whirlpool dishwashers have evolved significantly, especially models from 2020 onwards. These advanced appliances feature smart connectivity, sophisticated error detection systems, and intuitive touch control panels that make troubleshooting more precise than ever before. When your dishwasher encounters problems, resetting it can often resolve common issues and restore normal operation. There are 3 primary reset methods available, each designed for different types of problems and situations. Here's what a typical Whirlpool dishwasher control panel looks like. Notice the various cycle options, LED indicators, and button layout. Understanding your specific control panel is crucial for performing the correct reset procedures. Understanding the error system is key to successful troubleshooting. Dishwasher errors typically fall into 4 main categories, each requiring different approaches to resolution. Professional technicians use service error code tables like this one to diagnose specific problems. These codes help identify whether an issue requires a simple reset or more advanced troubleshooting. Understanding these error patterns helps you choose the most appropriate reset method. Door latch problems are among the most common mechanical issues requiring resets. This diagram shows the key components involved in door operation. Understanding these parts helps you identify when a door-related reset procedure might be needed versus other troubleshooting approaches. Understanding these fundamentals of Whirlpool dishwasher resets, the modern features, reset methods, and error categories provides the foundation for successful troubleshooting. With this knowledge, you can identify the right approach for your specific situation and restore your dishwasher to normal operation. The standard power reset is the most effective first step for resolving dishwasher issues. This simple procedure resolves minor glitches 70 to 80% of the time. Step 1, turn off your dishwasher completely and locate the power cord. You'll need to unplug the unit from the electrical outlet. Step 2, wait 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the internal capacitors to fully discharge and clears any temporary errors from the system memory. Step 3, reconnect the power cord and turn the dishwasher back on. Press the start button to test if the reset was successful. If the power reset doesn't work, try a control panel reset. For most 2020 and newer Whirlpool models, there are specific button combinations that clear error codes. Method 1. Press and hold the Start, Resume, and Heated Dry buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Release when the control panel lights flash. Method 2. If the first combination doesn't work, try pressing Cancel Drain and Heated Dry for 3 seconds instead. For door latch issues, there's a specific procedure that recalibrates the door sensor. This involves opening and closing the door in a precise sequence. Open and close the door firmly 6 times within 12 seconds. Make sure the door is completely closed on the final attempt. Then press Start Resume to test the latch. If these reset procedures don't resolve the issue, it may be time to contact professional support. Watch for these warning signs that indicate a more serious problem. Remember, these reset procedures resolve most common dishwasher issues. Start with the power reset, then try control panel resets, and finally the door latch reset if needed.